Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Another unboxing, OnePlus Watch 2R. Yeah, just came today. Again, after work. Had a couple of beers, so that may sound a bit funny. So I bought this from the OnePlus official UK store, £219. You had a sale on, £30 off, and you get one of these straps for free. This one's, whoops, how do you even say that word? There you go, that strap. This one's for OnePlus. I was going to get the green one, but until I saw the blue one, the Nordic blue. So check my unboxing for that one I did a couple of months ago. And I get a free case. You know, you can always do an extra, not case, charging base. So you always can do one of them. You know, these things are small, they can get lost. So these, yeah, 2 came. Put this aside. Anyway, so I got this one, OnePlus 2R. This is the green. There you go. I think it's mint green, if I'm correct. So let's unbox this. Yeah, it goes well with my recent OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. Check that video out. I posted it yesterday. So you probably think, am I sponsored by OnePlus? No, I'm not sponsored by OnePlus. I'm just pretty big fan of their products. Now, they're value for money, good pricing. But if you'd like to sponsor me, please do so. Just I'm not asking for no money, just a like and subscribe. That'd be fantastic. Okay, let's start unboxing. Put that here. Here you go. This is the mint green. I think it's the mint green anyway. So it's definitely lighter because the specs are, this one's a little bit cheaper because the other OnePlus was 300 quid or 299 pounds, and the Nordic blue was a little bit more expensive, 229 pounds. So you can automatically feel this one's lighter because this is using aluminium alloy, where the OnePlus Watch 2 was using stainless steel. You can feel it straight away. So the specs as follow is same size, 1.43 inches. 466 times 466, 326 ppi to the glass, 500 milliamp battery. So it's up to 100 hours, so nothing's really changed on that. It's a waterproof IP68, water and dust proof, up to 30 minutes in 1.5 meters deep. And also the strap here is definitely cheaper, but this one's a more expensive one with, how you ever pronounce that word. This is more like a silicon, so that has to keep price down. But you know, it was £30 off, plus you get the freebies. Yeah, so let's open it up, or let's undo that. Oh, I really do like the watches. I've been getting quite a lot of watches recently. Let's undo that one. So the straps are same size. I think it's just 22mm. You can change them for anything. The little hooks or things right there. If you watch my unplugging my own video, watch my Xiaomi Watch S3, you see how tough they are. So yeah, this is the actual design. What I'll do is, there's a bit of the back here, and take this off as well. So what I'm bringing my OnePlus Watch 2. Here you go, and you can see automatically I can feel it. Definitely feel it, definitely heavier. So you can see they kept a lot of similarities. You can see on the side here. The difference is you got that extra, this here. Apparently they don't do nothing, unlike the Xiaomi's or the Huawei's. They don't, they're just for show. You can press them, of course, these are actual buttons. So what do you reckon? I actually like, I mean, they're both really good. These are probably the overall best designs of my watch collection, to be honest. I really like this one a little bit more because as good as this is, but I feel like this bit here has a bit of kind of like a, almost like a flat kind of octagon shape thing, where this one gives it much more circular feel. Very similar in both. So I'm just put this away. Yeah, so this is the unboxing for that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect it to my phone, the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro, and check it out. So I'll be back in about an hour and do a quick overview, really. Okay guys and girls, I will get back to you then. Well, I'm back again. There's one thing I totally forgot to do is actually look inside the box. Like I said, had a few beers already after work. Man, I need to really stop drinking beer. Just blame my friends, always blame me, ask me to come out. Okay, inside. It's not like you guys not seen an unboxing before, but you know what? This is actually an unboxing, so it's unfair that I didn't actually unbox it. So on the left side, okay, paperwork. Usual paperwork here. Nothing special. Alright then, that's just there. I don't know what that is. So that's paperwork, nothing special. And let's check the one on the right. There you go. So you got USB A to C charger and the other base. So now, including the freebie and the OnePlus Watch 2 Nordic Blue, I've got 3 chargers now. So that's the unboxing. So yeah, I'm kind of done it reverse. So there you go. I'll get back to you once I set this watch on my phone. Hello, I'm back and set up. So unfortunately, for some bizarre reason, my OnePlus Ace 3 Pro didn't sync with the phone. I assume because this is a Chinese version with ColorOS, where the OnePlus Watch is a global version, which will only sync with Oxygen OS, and also it's got the Google Wear OS on it. So probably Google, you have to kind of sign to your Google account as well. Not to worry. And also, I use this phone, which is my Red Magic 8, to do it because my Nubia Z Ultra already has the OnePlus 2 watch. So you have to unpair that and pair this. So I couldn't be bothered, so I just use this one, which I still use, to sync up my watch. As usual, you download the O Health from the App Store. Usual stuff. You watch my other videos. Got the usual stuff here. Pretty simple. You got your fitness tracker and device and all the settings here. I don't really use this watch for fitness or anything. I just use it as a watch, and maybe it's just track my sleep when I'm not really sleeping too well. And that's about it for the actual app on the phone itself. As for the watch, here you are. I got it on a default one. Looks pretty cool. Never settle. Pretty cool. So I got it on always on display. As you can see, when you go into the press this button, you can put it as grid or planet. I prefer just the grid one, nice and simple. Like I said, if you watch my other videos, you know I like it simple. If you turn this, nothing happens. It's not like the other watches. Press this back, you go back. For example, if I was going to settings here, you got the settings here. Right, so you go back in. If you double tap it, it should go back where you left off. Brightness, all the same old stuff like that, as usual. And the bottom one, you go to health track, outdoors tracking. You got track run, indoors run, fat burn run, which I need, walking, indoor walking, outdoor cycling, jumping ropes. It's got a pretty lot of stuff there you need. Like I said, I don't really track this much because only thing I do is walk, and I got a really good walking app on my phone, which is probably the best one, and that's about it. Let's go back to the actual phone itself. So you go into the watch face. Yeah, you got the usual stuff that you get from the store, and you can probably start downloading some as well from the App Store. There you go. Watch faces. Got plenty more here, and you can download more. I will probably find them, but you know, I actually do like the default one, which is really good. I really do like that. It's got a OnePlus. And speaking about the colors, did I say that? No. At the beginning I said it was mint green. It's actually forest green, and the strap that I came with, it was emerald green. So yeah, and that's about it. It's still, like I say, it's the same thickness, same size as the other watch, but I do like the much more curvature. I think actually this one actually looks better overall, green and blue. Oops, sorry about that, my chair is squeaky again. I need to get a new chair. As you can see here, both of them. What do you guys and girls think? Which one do you prefer, the 2 or 2R? This one's definitely heavier because of the stainless steel But this one feels, it has to be a weight, but it's definitely lighter. Yeah, what do you think? Which one looks better, do you reckon? The more circular one? I'm actually more inclined to this one because, like I said, I just prefer watches around. Anyway, yeah, this is a unboxing, a quick overview of the OnePlus 2 Watch R in forest green, not mint green, forest green. And let me know which one you two think is better, 2 or the 2R. And this is my 6th smartwatch. I think I might call it a day. You never know, I always say that, but there's something catch my attention, I'll probably buy it. Anyway, until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world, and please do stay safe. And also, if you'd like to sponsor the channel, just give us a like, subscribe. That'd be great. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye now.